They said it was impossible, but I had a vision. Let's add the wheels here.
Wow, it's huge!
It will be, my boy. Let's find the strongest one. This one is perfect.
It is huge!
Hold it steady, grandson.
Yes, Grandpa.
Perfect. Now the peg.
Look at that grain shine.
It's coming along beautifully. Almost done. Keep rubbing in circles, son, like this. Wow, it's so shiny now, grandfather. Excellent, it's ready.
Wow, it works?
He did it. Look at that.
It's alive!
Wow, look at that. He did it, he really did it. All finished, son.
Wow, it's perfect, Grandpa.
Looks amazing. Let's go for a ride.
Wow, look at that truck. It's incredible. So beautiful. Thanks for watching.